As an internet marketer, one of the things that you want the most is free targeted traffic. Targeted traffic is really the lifeblood of your business. The more people who are hungry for your product or service that you can get to the website, the better for you, the more money you will make. So how do you get all this targeted traffic? Well, one way is through the search engines. You can use pay-per-click, or you can get organic traffic. Now, organic traffic is free. Pay-per-click is going to cost you some money. May well cost you your shirt, depends on how good you are at it. However, organic traffic is perfectly free, and all you need to do is get your site up into the search engines, ranking high. The higher you are in the search engines for a frequently searched word, then the more traffic you're likely to get. Now, the issue here, of course, is getting yourself up into the search engines. And once you're there, the other problem you've got is monitoring yourself. If you've got one site and you're monitoring yourself for one or maybe two keywords, it's fairly easy to go to Google or MSN or whatever, type in the keyword and see where your site ends up. It's as simple as that, really. However, if you're doing multiple sites with multiple keywords, then it takes a lot more time to do. Now, for this very purpose, I've developed a tool called Search Engine Xtreme, which is what I'm going to show you here. It's a very simple tool to make this quicker and better for you. It's basically going to show you where your site ranks for multiple keywords in 6 major search engines. So if you're searching for 10 different keywords or key phrases, here you see, instead of just going to each of these sites separately, you can do them all at once. So let's type in a website. We'll type in one of mine. We'll go to unlimited confidence.com. Now it helps if I can spell. And let's look for self-confidence techniques, unlimited confidence, and self-confidence. You can enter as many keywords as you want here. For now, I'm just entering 3 key phrases. So I want to search all of the search engines. And now this is a feature that you will like. Okay, one of the things you want to do is, if you're in the top 10 in the search engine, then you're going to get a lot of targeted traffic. If you're lower down, you will still get some traffic, but not as much. The beauty of this tool is it will let you see where you're ranking in the search engine. You can search anywhere in the top 200 with this. And obviously, this is really useful for monitoring your progression. As you do search engine optimization on your website, you do link exchanges, article submissions, you can watch your site week by week climbing up or moving down the search engines. So we're going to search in the top 200 here, and we're going to just click go and let it start. Okay, so now we've got our results back, and here we can see that for these keywords, for self-confidence techniques, this site is 6 in Google, number 1 in MSN, number 7 here in Yahoo. It's not in all the web. It's number 5 in AOL. It's not in AltaVista at all. So I can see that my search engine optimization for this word, self-confidence techniques, we can see here that my search engine optimization for self-confidence techniques has actually been quite good. I'm in the top 10, which means I get a fair amount of clicks for that. Now, if we look down here for self-confidence, I'm not ranking so high. Now, what you'll find is self-confidence is a more competitive keyword. There's more searches on it, so more people are trying to rank high for it. So I'm 116 here, which means I'm on the 12th page of Google. Now that's not particularly good, not going to get me a lot of traffic. So what I can tell from this is I just need to keep monitoring these top 2 keywords, make sure that I stay up in the top 10, but I need to do some work on self-confidence. So this would mean directory submissions, link exchanges, article submissions, work like that really, to get myself ranking higher for self-confidence. So what I would do is every week I would come back, I would rerun this tool and check where I'm ranking. Now, obviously this tool only reports on what you're currently ranking. So what if you want to keep a track of where you're ranking in the search engines? Now, yeah, you could copy and paste this, write it down, or if you're like me and you want an easy way, you click here where it says download Excel file, and what this does is it takes all this output, the table above you here, all this information, and it exports it into a CSV format that spreadsheet programs such as Excel can support. And you simply click on that button and off it goes. It'll open an Excel spreadsheet. And that's really all it takes. It's that simple to use this tool to track where you are in the search engines, and if you save the Excel files every week, you can compare them and see whether you're ranking up or down every week. And you'll know exactly what you're doing that is working very quickly. So instead of going to Google, going to MSN, Yahoo, all the web, AOL, and AltaVista, typing in every single keyword, searching through pages and pages of information, you can go to one page, one tool, type it all in, get the results you want. And there you are, it just opens the spreadsheet now. That's all it is. And this is the Excel spreadsheet. Very simply, it just shows you the keywords, the websites, and over here it gives you the results. And all you do, file, save as, and then save it as a file name. So save it in an Excel format, and my search engine results. And that's all you do. And what this has done is basically what you can do every week as you're doing your search engine optimization. You can come here, you can have a compare your results, so you can look back over the weeks to see how you're doing with the keywords. And if you suddenly notice, for example, that your website is, say here for self-confidence techniques, I noticed that for weeks I'm 6, I'm 7, I'm number 3, I'm number 4, and suddenly I find myself down here at 106. I know, oh, there's a problem. So I know I need to check my site out, maybe something's happened, maybe competitors have done more links, and I need to focus on that keyword. So this is a really, really good way to track where you're ranking in the search engines for your keywords, very simply. And that's all you need to do.